and I'm making this video to show you the memory issues that the new M1 Pro chip Mac has. So I bought this laptop like yesterday and I started playing with it. This is the model which has 16 GB of RAM with the Apple M1 Pro chip. It has 10 core CPU and 16 core GPU with a 1 terabyte of storage. And this is a 14-inch model. There are no applications running right now. Let's get rid of that. Now if you go to other and you go to the activity monitor, which is an inbuilt Mac tool, you can see it's already using the memory to use is 6.10 GB out of 16 GB. So you only have 10 gig left. Now let's do simple tasks that everyone do. I'm gonna open Safari. Let's say I'm on Gmail and then I'm going to do Yahoo Mail, and then I'm gonna do a Disney Plus and a Netflix. Now don't get me wrong, it's all buttery smooth, no issues whatsoever, it's running absolutely fine and the display is really great and all that with 120 Hz motion promotion. But let's say I'm gonna open one YouTube tab and I'm gonna play a video that I made, like my unboxing video. In the background I'm gonna let it run, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open some more tab. Let's say yahoo.com, Reddit, and open Twitter. So now, as you can see, the only application that's running is Safari and the activity monitor. So let's see, look at that. Right off the bat, the memory usage jumped to 10.44 GB by just running Safari and opening a bunch of tabs. Now if you open, let's say like you are a programmer, you're not a programmer or a coder and you just wanna do some mail stuff. So there are no email accounts added apart from iCloud one yet, and I'm just opening this mail app in the background. And now let's see, the memory right here is still sitting at 10.64 GB, and we're gonna open, like, let's say if we're gonna listen some music in the background. Look at how laggy that was. I don't know what's happening with these new. Look at the memory usage by just opening the music, and only 3 applications in the background, and look at that, the memory usage is 11.34 GB. 16 GB base models, if you're going to open multiple applications, I mean that's fine right now, but down the road, like next 2 years or in 3 years, I mean apps are going to get more memory hungry, and it's gonna, I mean we need more memory for sure. So I highly recommend you guys to get the 32 GB model and not the 16 GB model at all. So as you can see, the memory usage is at 11.76 GB right now. If you open one called Xcode, that's a very heavy application if you want to try to build some Apple applications for iPhone or Mac or anything. And I don't know what happened. But let's say if you are going to open iMovie, that's a video editing software of Apple itself, and if I'm going to, so this was a test project that I was working on just to see how much RAM it will occupy. Look at that, it was almost 12 GB RAM occupied. Now the memory is still sitting at 11.21 GB or almost 11 GB. I'm telling you guys, like if you want to future proof your purchase, and I will highly recommend getting the 32 GB model and not the 16 GB model. Please support my channel. This is I'm really new, and as you can see, this is my second video that I'm doing, and I will keep posting more tests that I'm gonna be running on these new MacBook Pros, and I'll keep you updated. Please hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much.